Welcome to Eden. Today, it's all about Eden. We're going to explore the town, visit the Wharf, which is where we are right now as a sneak peek, find out what whaling has to do with the history of the area, and show you some beautiful blue water. Let's explore. Phil's off flying his drone. We've just come out of the Tourist Information Centre and very, very helpful indeed. I just wanted to double check that we weren't missing something that was going to make our trip that little bit more awesome. The guy was so helpful here. Tourist Information Centres, as I said, always pop in when you go to a new place because you never know what you will learn. This morning we spent some time at church with some friends of ours and also some acquaintances from our Wagga days. And then now we've headed down to the wharf. We're going to get some fish and chips and sit somewhere and have lunch. And the sun's come out. Wait till I show you the colour of the water now. How beautiful is this water? We're at Eden Wharf for lunch. Phil's over waiting for our fish and chips to be ready. It's quite interesting because the fish and chip van that we're waiting at is in front of a building my brother used to work at like 30 years ago, and it's just recently been condemned and will be being pulled down. But over recent years, cruise ships have started pulling in and visiting Eden, and the guy at the Tourist Information Centre was saying that that's really helped the economy and they've really missed it this year. And there's a bit of development going on behind me over there for a welcome centre for the cruise ships. They've extended the far wharf, which we'll have a look at later, and lots of fishing boats and stuff around the harbour that will just help to make it a great place to visit. Eden is beautiful. As I said, I've been coming here on and off for 30 years, so yeah, keep it on your list. And we've got plenty more to show you. Chip? Do you like feeding seagulls? Let us know in the comments below. There's a whale trail. There you go, the Killer Whale Trail. And at spots on the trail that we'll cover throughout the trip to Eden, there's QR codes that give you a bit more history and all of that. Eden has a fairly big whaling history. So this is the main wharf in Eden. As I said, over there, that's the welcome centre for cruise ships when they can come back. It's looking back towards the wharf. More boats moored, and our caravan park is over that direction somewhere. Probably a few coves around, we think. We've come up to the Rotary Park. It's a popular spot for whale watching when they migrate. So by scanning that little QR code, you get information about the lookout and what you can see from here and do. Over there is Ben Boyd Tower, or Boyd Tower, and that's part of the national park. We're going to go and visit that tomorrow. And further around, long way around, is a lighthouse, Green Cape Lighthouse, and that's the wood chip, looks like. Sunday afternoon out on a boat, that sounds pretty pleasant. This is the Rotary Walk, the Seamen's Memorial Park.
We go around the point and have a look.
I'm guessing there are more seats to sit on to watch the whale migration.
Hard to get into.
Yeah, I'd say there's been a landslide there sometime. For a romantic picnic spot, we've got you covered. We've just found a nice little secluded table. It's coming. Ta-da! Behind the bush, down on the little private spot. Through this Rotary Park, there's lots of little picnic tables, places you can sit. And again, watch the whales migrate. Might be a good idea to stick to the path here. It's a long way down. Bit of cardio for a Sunday afternoon.
That was fine there, wasn't it?
There's definitely lots of variety in this Rotary walk. Great little pockets of views here and there. And just like that, we're stopped in our tracks. There's obviously another thing of interest over there, but we're going through there. Came back to get back on the path, assuming it was a tree down, but I think it's actually deliberate because this wire fence is actually protecting a colony of little penguins that are being reintroduced or brought back, as they say, back down to the sea gutter below. Before 1935 there were 500 birds. By 1983 there were only 27 pairs, and so now they're trying to build the colony up.
Wonderful, thank you. Okay, so what postcode are you?
Entry was $12 an adult, $5 for children, and under 5 free. Old Tom, I think, put his age between 50 and 90, and he's been here for over 35 years. Lots of interesting displays, and then of course you've got the view. A great photo op, I guess, in non-COVID times. Interesting, you can't touch the displays due to COVID. Down here there's lots about shipping, disasters, and one of the biggest maritime disasters in Australia, or on the east coast, happened down near Green Cape, which is the lighthouse that we're going to go and see later. We're coming on search of some rays. Apparently there's 4 or 5 that live down near the fish cleaning station, so we're going to see how that goes. We were so excited to see the rays just gracefully swimming about with the pelicans. Quarantine Bay, home to some rays, and just around the corner from our campground. We are literally straight over there. Need them, a bed, second bed up there, but we're using that for storage, and it actually comes out to here, and it's a double bed, so it would be wider than the one that's here. This configuration, the bed is smaller, and the kitchen with microwave, fridge, 2-burner cooker and a little sink. Lots of cupboards and storage. There is under the bed storage, but we've pretty much got away with not using it. It's very weird having a door that closes itself, I gotta say. We've got a powered site. As I said, we're staying at the Eden Beachfront Caravan Park. It's a big 4. So I thought we'd show you around a little bit. It's lots of permanent homes, kids' playground.
You don't want to jump on it, are you?
Sorry, big kid.
It's flat, is it?
I was looking forward to jumping on that. Tennis court. Should we go that way to the river? It's very swampy. Don't think I'd want to swim in this. This is just an inlet that goes down to the water. It's flowing quite fast.
Yeah, you wouldn't think it was moving up where we were. Sinking in, huh?
Yeah. Here's the laundry. $4 per load. This is the camp kitchen area. Barbecue. The rec room is closed at the moment due to COVID. Second entrance to the rec room. That's the reception and a little shop. Camp kitchen. We're down here. So that's the bulk of the caravan park. As you can see, they're all permanents, and then you've got your powered, unpowered, ensuite sites, and then over near the playground are some tent sites. Our stay at the Beachfront Holiday Park cost us $37 per night for our powered site. We were a short walk from the toilet and, as you can see, a short walk to the beach. If you'd like to learn more, the link is in the description below. If you got value out of today, why not hit the like and subscribe button? Hit that little bell so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos in the van life series, and why not share it with a friend so others can join us on the journey. We hope you found value and are inspired to visit this amazing little town on the south coast. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye! Why not check out the van life playlist or the video just for you?